Hello everyone. So here we have a new chapter in geography today, and that is agriculture. So what is agriculture basically? Agriculture is one of the oldest activities of mankind. Agriculture is the most basic resource as it provides food, clothing and shelter to mankind. It is the art of growing plants and crops. It includes growing of crops, rearing of animals, animal husbandry, forestry, horticulture, fishing, sericulture, and poultry. So, this term agriculture has its own meaning. Now, let's see what are the types of agriculture. Based on agricultural practices, agriculture may be broadly divided into two categories: subsistence agriculture and commercial agriculture. Now, what is subsistence agriculture? This type of agriculture is practiced mainly to meet the requirements of the local community. Most of the products are grown and consumed within the area where they are produced. It includes mainly three types of agricultural practices. They are nomadic herding, shifting cultivation, intensive agriculture. So let's get to know these terms one by one. The first one is nomadic herding. What is that now? This is practiced by those people who rear cattle, sheep, goats, camels, and yak. These animals are dependent on natural vegetation in that area. Herders move with their animals from one place to another in search of fodder. Now, next topic is shifting cultivation. It is a simple and primitive method of farming. This type of farming is practiced by clearing a patch of forest or by burning bushes. A patch of land is cleared and then cultivated. When the crops are ready, the people join together, harvest and store the crops for consumption. These people do not lead a settled life as they have to move from one area to another when soil loses its fertility. Now, the next topic is intensive agriculture. In this method of farming, even from a small piece of land, farmers get a very high yield by using good quality seeds, ample fertilizers, ensuring regular water supply, and applying more laborers. Besides, more than one crop is taken from the same piece of land because of fertile soil and good climate. Rice is the main crop of this type of agriculture. Now, let's move further and let's talk about the second type of agriculture, that is commercial agriculture. The main purpose of this kind of agriculture is to sell the produce in the market. Therefore, one particular crop suitable for the region is selected by the farmer. It is called crop specialization. This type of agriculture has two main forms, that is commercial grain farming and plantation agriculture. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purposes. It is also called extensive agriculture. Whereas in plantation agriculture, it is a specialization of a single crop over large estates or farms where most of the work is done on a scientific basis and the product is processed before it becomes market oriented. There are some more types of agriculture. Let's have a look on them as well. The first one is mixed farming. In this type of farming, crops are grown on farms and cattle are also reared. Next we have dairy farming. In this type of farming, cattle are kept for milk and milk products. Then the next one is horticulture. In this type of farming, we have the cultivation of vegetables away from the market. Then we have cooperative farming, that is, all the farmers in a village pool their resources together voluntarily and manage the farming operation under a democratic setup. Then we have collective farming. It is voluntarily productive cooperative union based on social ownership of means of production and on collective labor, which excludes exploitation of men by men. The last one is state farming, typical of Russia, practiced on state farms. Now we have the last topic in the chapter, that is crops. Major crops grown in the world can be grouped in the following two categories, that is food crops and cash crops. Food crops are the crops which are grown for our own consumption or to have them in a group of people. Rice, wheat, maize, millets, these are some of the examples of food crops. Whereas cash crops are the crops which are grown to be sold in the market. Cotton, tea, jute, coffee, these are some of the examples of cash crops. So that's all for today in this video. I hope you have understood all the points. Thank you, students.